What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to NORI for another video. If you guys enjoy any Supreme streetwear or sneaker related content, go ahead and subscribe down below and click that notification bell as well, because I know that YouTube be on some bullshit and they don't send all my videos to everybody, so make sure you click that and click on notifications. I would highly appreciate that. The homie Fan Productions hit me up to do another giveaway, and he wants to give away 2 Supreme shooting sleeves. I believe there's a black one and a red one, so make sure you click that Gleam link at the top of the description and join the one for the Supreme backpack. That one's over in a week, so join those 2 giveaways and you have a bigger chance to win. Now after these 2 giveaways, I'm not doing any more for a little while. I'm gonna let it breathe for a little bit, and then I'm gonna pick back up when I reach 4K to do a personal giveaway from me to you guys. So with that being said, let's get straight into this video. Now today, since I'm gonna be copying one piece from Supreme, I feel like it would only be right to unbox a couple things just to keep you guys more entertained. I don't want to be that guy who just buys a little keychain and makes a whole video about it. So I have a Bape shirt to show you guys and a pair of cargo pants as well. I feel like these pieces are really dope, but I unboxed them like a week or 2 ago and I never got around to showing you guys, so I feel like this would be the perfect time. Now I'm gonna show you guys the pieces, then we'll get straight into the live cop. Like 2 weeks ago, I ordered the diamond tee and the TV tee, and I never got the sticker that I wanted, which was the diamond one. And shout out to Angel, because he actually hooked it up with the sticker that I missed, which is really dope. He actually sent me a couple stickers, so I'm gonna show you guys before I get into the video. He gave me the Molotov sticker. He gave me the diamond sticker, which was the one that I was missing. He gave me these for the campfires, so basically he gave me these extras to just start a fire with anywhere I want, you know? So thank you a lot, Angel. I really appreciate that shit, honestly. Like, it really means a lot. So the first thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys is this Bape tee. I got this a little while back and I never got around to showing you guys. It's one of those vintage Bape tees. I honestly don't really like the one with just the Bape head on the front. I feel like those are too simple and everybody has those, so I had to go for something different. I feel like this is a really dope piece and I got it for not a steal, but something really close to it. I paid a good price for it. I've only seen this tee like one time before this and I honestly really liked it, so I'm glad I was able to pick it up for a fair price. It says ape shall never kill ape on one side, then a bathing ape Bape on the other side. This is a really dope tee in my opinion, and I honestly really like it, and it's about time I show you guys so I can start wearing it. You already know. The next piece I got is actually a pair of cargo pants, and they're a little bit on the baggy side, I think. I might go ahead and turn these into some shorts, but they are a really dope pair of cargo pants. These are the Night Desert camo pants. You can find these on eBay or Amazon for around $15 to $20, which is not a bad price, honestly. I feel like there's a lot of pants you could find for a cheap price. Let me know down below if you would like to see a video on pants that you could find under $20 or $25. I feel like I could find a lot of pair of pants for way cheaper than you would think. These are a really dope pair of pants, like I said before, and Supreme made a pair of shorts. It had the same exact design, but just because it was Supreme, you already know they charged you like $138 for it. I might go ahead and do a custom on these. Let me know if you guys would like to see that down below. Smash the like button and let me know. You already know what it is. Also comment any video ideas that you would like me to do, because I might go ahead and choose it and make the video which was inspired by you. Now with that being said, let's get straight into the live cop. Alright, so now we back and there's like 20 seconds till drop, so honestly this is gonna be the easiest live cop. Obviously I'm only going for one thing because that's the only thing that I actually like, and since I don't personally resell that much, like I just cop things that I like for the most part, I'm gonna just go ahead and cop this keychain. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was something a little bit different. I felt like since I wasn't copping so much at Supreme, I had to unbox something just to entertain you guys at the end of the day, because who the hell wants to just see a little keychain being bought, you get me? Alright, but the drop is on now and I'm about to just cop this real quick. Bang. I'm already processing my order. It was literally like a 2-second step. This shit was the easiest shit ever, honestly, bro. Took me like 3 seconds. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the format of this video. I honestly want to know what you guys think about it. Should I start doing more things than just the original video? Like, let's say I do a live cop, should I add something to it? Like, I want to know what you guys think, and go ahead and join that giveaway down below as well. I have 2 of them running right now, and after these 2 are done, I won't be doing a giveaway for a little while. So the item just checked out. I basically got it in like 2.5 seconds, and now that we got it, ain't nothing else to do. I don't really f with anything else in the drop list, and I'm pretty sure the bags are kapoof already.
These motherfuckers is gone, bro.
1600, dude. 1600 for a bag, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, bro, 1600 for a bag is OD. I'd rather have 1600 in my bag. So, hey, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna outro this video and then I'm up out of here. You already know what it is. So as you guys just saw, I was able to get the keychain literally in like 5 seconds. I went into the drop, found the keychain and bought it like literally ASAP. That pretty much does it for this video. Let me know if you guys like the format of this video more, because I might do it more often now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, slap a like on it. Comment down below what was your favorite piece of the week. Do you think the Rimowa suitcase was even worth it? That pretty much does it. Like I said before, go ahead and click that Gleam link at the top of the description and click the second one as well, because you have a chance to win 2 shooting sleeves and you have a chance to win a backpack. With all that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.